There's nothing worse than an influencer sending you a great video just for it to get lost in your email. It slows down the process. It frustrates the creator. This is why we built Amplify's content review. We built an entirely new way to manage influencers' content for exactly that reason, because you don't want them frustrated, you don't want to lose content, and you don't want to lose valuable time. So with the Amplify content review feature, you'll be able to manage content from start to finish in one place without losing content, without losing your stream of thought. So let's dig into it. Here you have all of the influencers' information, and now we're going to add in the partnership details. The first thing you'll do is click create manually, and we'll add in all the details. So we'll add in the budget. We can add in any brief. So you can add in details here or upload your brief directly. So there we have it. We've uploaded the brief. We can now add in all of the deliverables. So let's say that there's a reel that they're submitting on June 3rd, and we'll create the partnership. We can actually copy this link and send it to the influencer so that they can upload their content. And now we'll look at what the influencer sees. This is the link that the influencer will receive. It'll tell them your brand's name, and they'll be able to upload all of their videos here. It works perfectly on mobile, so they'll be able to upload their video, their caption, and submit it for you to review. Perfect. Once the video is submitted, we can actually go back and see what you'll see. Now you'll see that the content has been submitted, and we can click to view the submission. Once the influencer submits their video, you'll be able to watch it, review it, leave comments, and these comments can be seen by other team members. So if you need multiple people on your team reviewing the video, it'll be very easy for them to go in, leave their feedback, and you'll be able to consolidate all of this in a note to the influencer. So this will be only internal for your team. You can also see any usage rights information here, as well as the content brief that you sent the influencer. Once it's ready to go, you can actually click approve, and it'll be automatically added to your content hub. So now let's go see it in the content hub. In the content hub, you'll be able to see all of the videos that your influencers have created, including their usage rights. And you can also segment them based on the influencer segment, based on tags, based on products. So it'll be very easy for you to repurpose this content, whether it is for whitelisting or organic social. For example, if you're launching a whitelisting campaign, you can filter by whitelisting and see exactly which videos are available for whitelisting, and then you can go live with them. You can download the videos directly from here to be able to use in your ads. If you want to spend less time chasing drafts and more time actually launching campaigns, give the content review flow a look. It's included in our 14-day trial. If you want help getting started, just click on the link below and book a demo call with our team.